S.B Natural Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this Demi Lovato inspired makeup look. If you guys are interested in finding out how I achieved this makeup look, please keep watching. To prep my face, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I'm going to be massaging this all over my face and then just tapping it in. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I'm just going to be applying it and then buffing it into my skin. This foundation matches my skin perfectly except for my forehead. Being a brown skin girl, obviously my forehead is darker than the rest of my face and that just really annoys me. Then I'm just going to be using the Fenty Beauty Concealer and applying this anywhere I need some more coverage. That would be under my eyes, around my mouth where there's more hyperpigmentation, and some spots on my forehead. I'm going to be using the same brush I used for the foundation and buff this into my skin. I felt like going for a really heavy contour and highlight, so I'm going to be using this NYX foundation palette. I used a very light highlight shade, but I feel like I just wanted to be a little bit creative with my contour and highlight, so my highlight is really light. And also you'll see that my contour is going to be a little bit too dark, and this is all going to be a little bit of a pain to blend out, but it's fun. Makeup is fun. I'm just enjoying myself here. I'm going to be using this small stippling brush to just blend my contour out, and then I'm going to eventually blend out the highlight into the contour. That way it'll all blend a little bit more easily. Yes, this is a shockingly dark contour. As you'll keep watching this video, I feel like this look was a really trust the process kind of look, so just trust the process and go on. Now you can see I use the same brush that I used for my foundation to blend in the highlight with the contour. That way at least some of the remaining foundation from the brush is also doing its work. Next up, I've just baked underneath my eyes. This is to catch any eyeshadow fallout, and then I'm going straight into the eyes. I'm going to be using this Best Skin Ever concealer from Sephora to carve out my eyebrows first. I'm using a flat shader brush and just carving out underneath my eyebrows. As I keep carving it out, I keep bringing down the concealer a little bit towards my eyelid too. Then I'll just buff in some excess concealer onto my eyelid to act as a base for eyeshadow. Then I'll be going in with this Be Perfect Carnival eyeshadow palette. I'll be picking up the purple and I'll just be placing this purple on the outside and inner portions of my eyelid. I just keep tapping on eyeshadow and building it up as I like, just to get the amount of color that I need. Then with the same brush, I'm just going to be blending those two sides together. I've not picked up any extra eyeshadow. Then I'm going to be going into this Suva Beauty purple eyeshadow. It's a little more pinkish, it's a little lighter and brighter than the other purple we used. And we're going to blend the entire portion using this and a little bit of a larger, fluffier brush. I feel like this step brings together a lot of the eyeshadow look, so the key is to just keep blending till you're happy with how the entire thing looks. You want it to look softer towards the ends. Next up, I'm picking up this shimmery dark blue eyeshadow and some pigment primer, and I'm going to be using a mix of the two to just place this in the center of my eyelid. Again, I just keep building this up till I'm happy with the amount of color I have. Then I'm just going in with the first brush we used and some more purple and just blending out the outer and inner edges with the blue eyeshadow. For some extra shimmer, I'm going to be using this NYX Loose Blue Glitter, and I'm going to be placing this wherever I put the blue eyeshadow. For this, I use the pigment primer as a base again. Now I'm going to be brushing off all of the powder that we had underneath the eyes. This has caught any eyeshadow fallout and any glitter fallout, so it's great that I applied this. I've also added a little line of concealer under my eyes just to make that line a little bit sharper of the eyeshadow. Now I've picked up that first dark purple eyeshadow with a small tipped eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to be placing this under my lower lash line. I'm going to be blending this with a slightly larger flat brush and that second purple eyeshadow we used from S.B Beauty. Now I've picked up some white gel liner. I'm just going to place this into my lower lash line to make the eyes look bigger and brighter. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. And I'm just going to be brushing my eyebrows upwards so that it's neat and in place. Using this slim L'Oreal brow pencil, I'm just going to be filling in any empty spots in my eyebrows and just making sure the shape is nice and even. For bronzer and blush, I'm going to be using this Hindash Beautopsy palette. I'm just going to be bronzing using Feel Plus Real. Again, in the same areas that we first contoured. And once again, I've gone very heavy with the bronzer on my forehead. I have a problem. I'm just going to be picking up these pink shades Boy Plus Wonder and placing this on the high points of my cheeks as blush. I feel like this just brings the entire makeup look together. Now I'm going to be using this duo highlighter from Fenty. I'm going to be using the mint shade on the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. And then I'm going to be using this champagne gold on my cheekbone and also on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Going with the purple theme, I'm going to be using this Tarte setting spray, and I'm just going to go ham with the setting spray. I'm going to be spraying a lot on my face. This is just a very refreshing setting spray as well. Then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I'm just going to be really going ham with the mascara as well. I put on some large false lashes off camera, and I also put on some dark pink lip liner, and then I'm going to be using this Bourjois Rouge Velvet pink lipstick all over my lips. I'm going to be topping that off with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Glow Lip Gloss. And our Trust the Process look is finally done. And that's it, guys. This is the complete look. I even put on some silver hoops to copy Demi Lovato's style, and I must say I really love this look. I really like how it turned out. This is totally a look I would wear out to an event. Being purple and blue together, my favorites. I've really loved how this makeup look has turned out. And if you guys loved how it turned out as well, and if you liked the tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. And make sure to check out our website sbnaturalbeauty.com, where we sell beauty products, which will be down in the bio. See you guys next time. Bye!